Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imad Ramadhani and this is my friend.
My name is Muhammad Ali Shoki.
In this video, I will give comment to this video on the title ETN. The term approach, strategy, method, technique, and tactic are often misunderstood as synonyms. In fact, the form a hierarchical framework in educational planning. Understanding this correctly helps avoid family planning and ensures that teaching and learning process are clear, structured, and goal-oriented. In the concept discussion, approach. Number 1 is approach. An approach represents the underlying philosophy or belief about how learning occurs. It answers the question why a teacher chose a particular way of teaching. For example, a communicative approach focuses on meaningful direction and real communication. Number 2, strategy. Strategy is the overall plan decided to achieve learning objective. It determines what action or learning activities will be used, such as collaborative learning, problem-based learning, or discussion-oriented learning. Number 3 is method. Method refers to systematic procedure used to implement a strategy in the classroom. It explains how the learning activity are organized step by step. For instance, using group discussion, reflection, presentation, or guided techniques. Conclusion and reflection. Technique are specific classroom practice or skill applied during teaching, such as listening technique, brainstorming, or role-play activity. Tactic are personal engagement made by teacher or student to handle real classroom situation effectively, including the time management, motivation, strategies, or adaptive explanation to student needs. Next.
Okay.
Next is the subject.
I will just give a little comment about the material. So the video is very helpful because it explains the difference between approach, strategy, method, technique, and tactic in a simple way. Before watching this video, I sometimes thought the words had the different lore in teaching and learning. I also like the house analogy because it makes the explanation easier to understand. This material is useful for English teaching methodology because it helps us plan teaching more clearly and effectively. And that's all from me and my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you for the clear explanation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Paling 5 menit ya.